who is on the dais, my brother and sister judges who are in the audience, respected Learned Advocate General Mr. Ashok Mohanty, another respected Chief Secretary Mr. Patnai, has rightly made observation by Learned Advocate General, young and energetic and dynamic Special Secretary Mr. Arora, who is responsible for preparing this laudable scheme. At the outset, on behalf of my brother and sister judges of this High Court, congratulate the Orissa State Government headed by the learned Speaker, the Chief Secretary Mr. Patnai, with the active assistance of Special Secretary Mr. Arora, having framed this laudable litigation management system. For this, without the effective assistance of Learned Advocate General and active cooperation of the learned government advocates, additional government advocates, standing council, this scheme could not have been thought of and framed by the state government. This scheme is implemented. It can be implemented. Lot of stress and strain, pressure, both on the judges and the learned government advocates and Learned Advocate General can be reduced. The litigation is pending for decades. Small, trivial matters. On account of launching this litigation management system by using the technology, I hope and trust that it will be very handy for the judges and the lawyers for speedy disposal of these cases. My elder brother Justice B.P. Das, who is the executive chairperson, rightly made observation. Today, in the country as a whole, Lokadalas, he has suggested to us, by identifying the cases. I had a detailed discussion about 2 hours with Mr. Arora. He has applied his mind very seriously, and he has put the proper persons, the computer analysis on the job. He has given me assurance that 1 lakh cases will be ready. 1 lakh cases may not be ready now. 50,000 cases are ready, which is going to be listed either before the courts or the Lokadalas. But my brother Justice B.P. Das was suggesting when we were coming before we came here, that cases are listed and identified, listed in the Lokadala, in the High Court. Per month we can dispose of more than 15,000 cases. For this, the effective assistance of the Advocate General Office of Orissa High Court is very much required. Assurance is given by Learned Advocate General. On behalf of my brother judges and my sister judges, I am giving an assurance. We will undertake this the challenge, and we will see that we will dispose of as many as possible. We will see that the litigants will get the confidence, message will go to the country. You must have read in the newspaper today, the Justice and Law Department in the Union of India has approved in its cabinet meeting yesterday the very same scheme for speedy disposal of old cases, senior citizen cases and cases of trivial nature, for which 5,400 crores they are earmarking. Here, that apart, the system is put into use. I am sure that we can do a great deal and we can dispose of thousands of cases, which gives a message to the public litigant, to all the concerned, that Orissa High Court stands first in the country. That target we are going to achieve with the active assistance of my brother and sister judges and with the Office of the Advocate General of the State Government. I am appealing to all, not only I told Arora, please go to the Bar Association, apart from the government advocates and standing council of various departments, the assistance of Advocate General, assistance of Bar Association, assistance of the Bar Council is very much required. I don't think that having regard to this scheme which is put in operation, the lawyers' friends will not come in the way. They will certainly give the fullest cooperation in this endeavor. I am again appealing to them, please come forward. If we dispose of more cases, there are various other public domain cases you are required to take. The public law review cases are awaiting. You can come, more number of cases are disposed of, more number of cases will come to the lawyers. With this assurance, with this message, I am again expressing my sincere gratitude for having given me this opportunity to be in your midst and to launch this program. And this is a laudable object. In this process, we will do service to the humanity, particularly the public litigant, the credibility of the High Court, the credibility of the government, the credibility of the lawyers community, the credibility of the Advocate General will be increased if it is